Hi everyone, this summer I've been trying out different film cameras at weddings, and for this collection of pictures I used a special camera to capture a special wedding. These are my first pictures with the famously wonderful Contax T2. While researching it, I read a lot of praise for the camera's build quality and the quality of its Carl Zeiss lens. To my amusement, I also read a lot of grumpy comments from photographers who seemed upset that Kendall Jenner was also the happy owner of one of these. I'm not convinced I'd recognize her if she tried to photograph me in the street with her T2, but anyone who annoys grumpy photographers is okay in my book. Oh, and to avoid any accusations of the camera being something of a fashion statement, I made sure that I bought the gorgeous gold edition. Anyway, here are a couple of dozen photographs from 2 days of celebrations from Beth and Mark's wedding at the spectacular Wynyard Hall near Middlesbrough. The first day was a relaxing spa day for the girls and spent clay pigeon shooting by the boys. Looking back at these, they give just a glimpse of 2 wonderful days. I mainly photographed the wedding digitally, these are just a little extra. I shot using Kodak Gold film, but converted a few to black and white because they just felt better that way. I'll maybe do a little review of the camera in the future, but in the meantime, I will happily add myself to its list of fans. One small weakness to the camera is that its closest focusing distance isn't all that close at 70 centimeters. I believe the T3 improves on this considerably with a closer focusing distance of just 40 centimeters. For the type of portraits that I like to take, this may tempt me to upgrade. I only wish they made the T3 in gold.